Today I'm going to be showing you 2 simple woodworking projects you can build in the middle of nowhere. Today I'm not going to be using any power tools, and I'm going to be doing it with just a handsaw and 2 pieces of sandpaper. Without further ado, let's get started. I found this old piece of driftwood laying on the shoreline, so that's what we're going to be using. For this first project, we're going to start by cutting lengthwise into the wood. And I only ended up cutting into it about 3 inches. And by the way, the width of this log is about 2.5 or 3 inches. But I'll suggest using a piece of wood at least 2 inches in diameter. Then we'll measure over about maybe 1.5 or 2 inches and cut into the wood about halfway. Then measure over what looks like about 5/8 or 1/2 inch and cut into the wood the same depth. And there we go. That only took about 3 minutes. And I can just barely fit my pinky in there. Now we'll sand it with some 120. Then we'll measure up about another inch and cut all the way through. There we go. Then we'll give it one quick last massage. And there we go, a nice little driftwood phone holder. All right, project number 2, we're gonna use the other half of the side we cut the phone holder off of. But we're gonna cut about 2 more inches into it. Now we're going to go up to the top, but we're just going to cut all the way down to here, but angle it off. And same for the other side. Now time for the other side. Then we'll cut it off. Then we'll give this a massage. I know I said I'll only be using a saw and sandpaper, but this is optional. No. Well, there we go, a cute little mountain. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you'd like to see more videos just like this, go to my woodworking playlist and I'll put that right here on the screen. If you want to subscribe, I'll put that right here. Thanks for watching everybody. I'll see y'all in the next video. God bless.